Simplify cube root of 125 into 27. So I write 125 into 27. Now for this cube root of sign, I will put 1 by 3. Now we know 125 is 5 raised to 3 and 27 is also 3 raised to 3. So whole raised to 1 by 3. It's 5 raised to 3 and also 3 raised to 3. So I do 5 into 3 whole raised to 3 and then into 1 by 3. This cancels out. So you have 15. For this next sum, we see both the powers are negative. So let us make the power positive. So this is 1 by 9 raised to minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 I'm going to make plus 1 by 2. And then I have to take the reciprocal of the base. 1 by 9 is the base. So this will be 9 by 1. In the next 64 raised to minus 1 by 3. Now minus 1 by 3 I will make plus 1 by 3. So the 64 now I take reciprocal will be 1 by 64. For 9 I'll put 3 raised to 2 because 9 is 3 raised to 2. Whole thing raised to 1 by 2. For 64 I'll put 4 raised to 3 is 64. And the whole thing raised to 1 by 3. Now it's time for me to use the law. M raised to m raised to n is m raised to m into n. So I need to multiply both these powers. So I have 3, 2 into 1 by 2, which is 3. And in this case I have 1 by 4, 3 into 1 by 3. It cancels, becomes 1 by 4. This 3 cancels. So my answer now is 3 by 4. Here too this cancels. In this sum we do m into n. This is my m and this is my n. So I do m into n. Here m and this is the n. So I do m into n. Now for the next sum. We know 64 equal to 4 raised to 3. So wherever there is 64, I'm going to put 4 raised to 3. So for the first 64, I put 4 raised to 3 into minus 1 by 3. Here again the 64, I'll put 4 raised to 3 and this power was already there into 1 by 3. 64, 4 raised to 3 and into 2 by 3. This cancels out. 3, this 3 cancels and this 3 cancels out. So here I'm left with 4 raised to minus 1 and this 4 minus 4 raised to 2. Now 4 raised to minus 1 is 1 by 4 and this is 4 minus 16. So 1 by 4, 4 minus 16 is minus 12 and the answer comes as minus 3. Now for the fourth sum, let's take the bracket. 1 raised to 3 is 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 raised to 3 is 2 into 2 into 2 and that is 8. 3 raised to 3 is 3 into 3 into 3 and that is 27 raised to 1 by 2. Now when you add these up you get 36 raised to 1 by 2 and we know 36 is 6 raised to 2. Into 1 by 2, the 2 cancels, the answer is 6. Now many of the students would make this mistake. Since it is all raised to 3, you probably put 1 plus 2 plus 3 raised to 3 into 1 by 2. This is absolutely wrong because if we have a raised to m into b raised to m into c raised to m, we can write a, b, c raised to m. But if we have a raised to m plus b raised to m plus c raised to m. If we write it this way, this is absolutely wrong. So don't get tempted to take the power outside. For the fifth sum, 1 by 27, it is minus raised to 2 by 3. So we see first that the power here is negative, and let us make it positive. To make that power positive means plus 2 by 3. I need to take reciprocal of my base. The base is minus 1 by 27. Reciprocal of that will be minus 27 by 1. Now minus 27 I know is minus 3 raised to 3. Whole thing plus 2 over 3. I use the law a raised to m raised to n equal to a raised to m into n. So it's time for me to multiply the powers. Raised to 3 into 2 by 3. I cancel the 3. So now you will get minus 3 raised to 2. Here I should have put the bracket all over. It makes a lot of difference. So this is minus 3 into minus 3, which is 9. Now for the sixth one, I'm going to take each term. For example, I got first 9, 1 by 3. And you know 9 is 3 raised to, let me write it here. I know 9 is 3 raised to 2 into 1 by 3. So this becomes now 3, 2 by 3. So I'll write here for 9, I'll write 3 raised to 2 into 1 by 3. Now for 27, minus 1 by 2. Now you know 27 is 3 raised to 3 into minus 1 by 2. So it will be 3 minus 3 by 2. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here. So 27 is 3 raised to 3 into minus 1 by 2 over, this is 3 raised to 1 by 6. I cannot do anything more to it. And here I have 3 raised to minus 2 by 3. It's in the most simple form. So 3 raised to 2 into 1 by 3, 2 by 3, and here 3 minus 3 by 2 over 3 raised to 1 by 6 into 3 raised to minus 2 by 3. I'll put all the powers together. The bases are the same. So I first write 2 by 3 here. Then I add this because it's also in the denominator, no changing signs. Now it's time to take 1 by 6. 1 by 6, when it goes up, it becomes minus 1 by 6. The signs would change. Now this is minus 2 by 3. When it goes up, it becomes plus 2 by 3. The signs would change. So 3. Now when you take the powers, the LCM is 6. So on taking LCM, the first term here becomes 4. 2 into 3 becomes minus 9, minus 1 plus 4. When you work this out, becomes 3 raised to minus 10 plus 8 over 6. So that is 3 minus 2 over 6. So 3 minus 1 by 3. Now for the next sum, we have 8 raised to 1 by 3 into 16 raised to 1 by 3, 32 raised to minus 1 by 3. So first I will take 8, 1 by 3, and you know 8 is 2 raised to 3 into 1 by 3. The answer for this will be 2. So I work that out. So I got 8, here I got 2 raised to 3 into 1 by 3. Now for 16, it is 16 1 by 3. Now 16 I know is 2 raised to 4 into 1 by 3. So this will become 2 4 by 3. So I'll go ahead. So 16 I know is 2 raised to 4 and into 1 by 3 over. Now 32 is 2 raised to 5 into minus 1 by 3. So I get here 3 into 1 by 3 is 1. This is 2 4 by 3, and out here I get 2 raised to minus 5 by 3. I put the powers together. 1, I write 1 here, plus 4 by 3, and this minus 5 by 3 I add, becomes plus 5 by 3. So 2 LCM is 3. 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is 2 raised to 12 by 3. 2 raised to 4, and that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So the answer is 16. Now for the sum, we have to start from the innermost bracket, and we are going to start from this inner bracket. So I know 625 is 5 raised to 4. This was the innermost bracket. Then I copy the rest as it is, minus 1 by 2. We have this bracket, then we had outside that 1 by 4, and then we have the outer bracket 2. Next, we are now going to open the 5 raised to 4. So it will become 5 raised to 4 into minus 1 by 2. This is raised to minus 1 by 4, and here it will be raised to 2. So keep on opening your brackets. In the end, you will notice you have to multiply all the powers. And on multiplying the powers, now I cancel them out. And what I'm left with is 5 raised to minus into minus is plus 1. So the answer is 5. 256 raised to 0.16 into 256 raised to 0.09. The bases are same, that is 256. So I'll go ahead and add up the powers. This is one power and this is the other power, so I need to add. I'm using the rule a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So on adding the powers, I get 0.16 plus 0.09, and that works 256 over 0.25. So equal to 256, and 0.25 is 25 over 100. I remove the decimal. This is equal to 256. 25 over 100 is 1 by 4. And 256 is 4 raised to 4 into 1 by 4. So it cancels. The answer is 4. This is our next sum. What we are going to do is, first we're going to solve each of these terms separately. Let me take up this first term and I'm going to solve it. So that is 216 raised to minus 2 by 3. 216 is 6 raised to 3 into minus 2 by 3. So this works out as 6 raised to minus 2. Now for the next one, we have 256 raised to minus 3 by 4, and 256 is 4 raised to 4 into minus 3 by 4. You work this out, this becomes 4 raised to minus 3. And here we have 243 raised to minus 1 by 5. 243 is 3 raised to 5 into minus 1 by 5. So that is 3 raised to minus 1. So we now rewrite the sum. We write it 4 over 6. Here we'll put 6 minus 2 plus 1 over, here we found this value as 4 raised to minus 3 plus here 2 over this value we found out as 3 raised to minus 1. Now this is 4. Now 6 raised to minus 2. If I take it up, it will be 6 raised to 2. Now this is 1 over 4 raised to minus 3. So 1 into 4 raised to minus 3. I take it up, it becomes 4 raised to 3. The negative power becomes positive. Plus 2. 3 raised to minus 1. I take it up, becomes 3 raised to 1. This value will be 4 into 36. This is 64 plus 6. So here I have 144 plus 64 plus 6. And the answer for this is 214.